Lesson on digits.
What are digits? Digits are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Why do we need digits? Digits are used for counting things. Digits form numerals or numbers. Digits and numerals are used to label things to show the order of things. Now, are you ready to learn to count? Say yes. Very good. Let's go. In the beginning, a long time ago, before digits were invented, people did counting by scratching or marking a line on a bone for each unit or item that they wanted to count. Now we can count things easily with digits.
1 doggy, 2 doggies, 3 doggies, and so on up to 9.
You can use digits to make numerals when counting units of more than 9. Digit 1 and digit 0 together make numeral 10. And now we have 10 doggies. And we have 11 doggies. And if you continue to add more doggies one at a time, you will get 12, 13, 14, 15. Digits and numerals are used to label things, to show the order of things or people. You see that each lane has a digit, and each sprinter has a digit on his pants and on his back. A useful and simple way to count many things one at a time. And then you can count the items in groups of 5 very easily. A useful and simple way to count many things one at a time. And then you can count the items in groups of 5 very easily. "11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Who needs to know how to count? Yes, you need to know how to count. Let's have some fun counting some beautiful animals in various scenarios. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Lesson on addition and subtraction.
What do we have here? Oh yes, it's Tori's birthday party, and her mom has prepared a tray of very delicious-looking cupcakes. How many cupcakes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We have a total of 12 cupcakes. Tori has decided to share the cupcakes with her friends, giving them 2 cupcakes each. Tell me, how many cupcakes does each of Tori's friends have? Did you say 2? If you did, you were right on. How many cupcakes do the 3 friends have altogether? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. There are 3 dishes that have 2 cupcakes each in it. But we can also count these cupcakes together one after another, and we'll get to a total of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You see, May's 2 cupcakes, added with Natalie's 2 cupcakes, and then added with Tom's 2 cupcakes, make a total of 6 cupcakes. Congratulations! You have just learned addition. You see, Tori now has 6 cupcakes left in her tray. Before she gave away 2 cupcakes to each of her friends, Tori had 12 cupcakes. In other words, to begin with, Tori had 12 cupcakes. After she had given 2 cupcakes to May, Tori only had 10 cupcakes left. And then, after Tori gave 2 cupcakes to Tom, she only had 8 cupcakes left. After Tori gave 2 cupcakes from the remainder of 8 cupcakes to Natalie, she now only has 6 cupcakes left in the tray. Let's go over it one more time. 12 cupcakes, take away 2 cupcakes, leaves 10 cupcakes. That is to say, 12 minus 2 equals 10. 10 cupcakes, take away 2 cupcakes, leaves 8 cupcakes. That is to say, 10 minus 2 equals 8. 8 cupcakes, take away 2 cupcakes, leaves 6 cupcakes. That is to say, 8 minus 2 equals 6. Tori's mom has a surprise for everybody. She comes into the family room with a tray of 4 ice cream cups. They are all yummy vanilla ice cream. She gave 1 ice cream cup to each of the 4 children at the round table. Let me ask you a question. How many goodies do each of the 4 children get? The correct answer is May has 2 cupcakes and 1 ice cream cup. She has 2 plus 1 equals 3 items. Tom has 2 cupcakes and 1 ice cream cup. He has 2 plus 1 equals 3 items. Natalie has 2 cupcakes and 1 ice cream cup. She has 2 plus 1 equals 3 items. Tori, the birthday girl, has 6 cupcakes plus 1 ice cream cup. She has 6 plus 1 equals 7 items. Let me ask you another question. How many items do all the children have in total? The correct answer is May has 3 items, Tom has 3 items, Natalie also has 3 items, but Tori has 7 items. The total is 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 7 equals 16. Can you count up to 16? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. You see, you can count things that are not of the same kind as items, mixing them together.
Lesson on time.
What is time?
Time was when I was a baby, a toddler. That is time past. Time is when I am here with you. That is time now.
What time will it be when I wake up tomorrow? That is time in the future. Time always flows forward. Time passes you by, whether you like it or not. Can you turn back time? You cannot turn back time. Time always flows forward. You are right. No one can turn back time. Time always flows forward. If you were able to turn back time, it would be possible to turn scrambled eggs back into sunny-side-up eggs. What should we do with time? Okay, I see you have said. What did you do with time yesterday? Okay, I see you have said. What do you want to do with time now? In other words, what do you want to do now? Okay, I see you have said. That's good. Tap the pictures and see the passing of time. Sunrise, sunset, and then sunrise again, and it's another day, and you are 1 day older than the day before. In the beginning, before the clock was invented, people told time by looking at the position of the sun. They watched for sunrise, the sun's position in the sky during the day, and then sunset during the day and night, and day as one cycle. Later, the sundial was invented for a better way of telling time. A sundial is an instrument showing the time of the day by the shadow of a pointer cast by the sun onto a plate marked with the hours of the day. Today, we have the electronic clock and watch that have no moving parts. They have only electronic circuits and a display. We need to have a way to tell time. When someone asks you, "What time is it now?" it would be nice to be able to tell them the time without pointing out to the clock in the clock tower, or showing them your watch and have them read the time themselves. You can tell time by saying, "It is 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, and so on. It's 1 o'clock, or 2 o'clock, etc. A quarter in a clock is 15 minutes. It is 1 o'clock, or 2 o'clock, etc. A half past in a clock is 30 minutes. It is 5 o'clock. That is to say that in 15 minutes' time, it will be 5 o'clock.
Look! To the right, to the left, look to the front, look to the back, look up, look down, and look inwards in all 7 directions. Then listen, and you will learn about your situation and about yourself. And you'll become smart, and you'll become wise. In time you will be able to hear what you see and see what you hear. Blind people can't see, but they can look all around them. And then listen and learn. It's very important to see the whole scene, the big picture. You can get it very wrong if all you can see is a small part. Like the frog sitting at the bottom of a dry well looking up to the sky. Like the blind man feeling the limb of an elephant. Is it a tree? Stroking the tail of the elephant. Is it a broom? Look, listen and learn. And you'll become smart, and you'll become wise. Thank goodness we can look, listen and learn, even when we may not be able to see. An adage of the Cherokees. Look at the whole scene and see the big picture. Be sure to check out our other videos, and if you like what we do, please subscribe.